stop playing with him.
JDaVinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me. Welcome back to my channel. JDaVinci here, you guys. I know we've been working on our beauty room. If you've been following my channel, we've been working on our beauty room for a while now. I've done a lot of DIY projects and I've given you guys like the first initial beauty room tour. I'm gonna link the videos in the description in case you want to check them out. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. You guys are gonna just see me literally revamping the space from the last time you guys seen it, and I've got a lot of work to do. So let's just get straight into the video. Today is going to be day one of reconfiguring the beauty room. I don't really have that much stuff to do, but I do have two major projects that I wanted to show you guys. I have installed or brought the whole Vit mirror. You guys, this mirror literally transforms any space. I had this mirror, which is cool, but you guys see that on the sides, it's like a frame. So it really makes it less of a mirror, smaller mirror. And this one's a huge, just, such a nice mirror. I just finished tattooing, so I need to get this out of the way. But on this side, let me show you guys what's about to happen over here. So over here, we need to get rid of this tapestry. I'm getting my beauty room back together. This wall's gonna stay the way it is. I love the way this looks. But this wall, we're gonna do the ivy wall, like the green wall. You know what I'm talking about. Y'all have seen it a billion times. And then you got your neon sign on top of it. So I got a custom JDaVinci light up neon sign that's gonna go on top of the green wall. So right now we have to literally remove everything that's up here and below here, and then kind of really organize it and get it ready to go back, because I don't want as much stuff on my vanity that I have now. My wig looks like it's halfway on. Let's just go like this. Let's look like this. But you guys, I've literally been looking all over the place for ways to organize. I don't even know how to vlog anymore, to be honest. I was over the drawers. I had drawers in here, but it takes up a lot of space, and I'm really not that person who wants to see all this stuff everywhere. But I'm tired of things not being organized and just things being everywhere. I want this to be a space where I can come and create, come and make videos, you know, make content. I don't want it to feel overwhelming when I'm in here, and right now I feel overwhelmed. I might as well just take this wig off. Y'all, look at what my hair looks. Look at my hair, y'all. Screams. I'm gonna do like a finger wave hair tutorial. But yeah, this is how we're really looking. Cotton candy. This is how we're really looking. Yeah, I decided that I wanted to kind of film doing this first, because this is going to take the most time. When the LED light comes, I'm going to just literally hang the LED light up. So I'd rather have this gone and ready to go. The shelving units are going to be here on Thursday. I have another tattoo appointment. The shelving units are going to be here on Thursday. So I'm going to start this side of the project. So when everything comes in, it's not overwhelming. You know, I can do little by little each day. All right, so I just moved the desk forward because the desk is gonna go back into that area. Now I have to remove this tapestry, and then I'm gonna show you guys the green that I'm gonna be putting up. Like, don't know what we're gonna do with that. So I'm gonna really have to declutter my makeup and see what I'm keeping, what I'm not keeping, because this is not gonna work for 2021. But I don't like this. Like, I liked it 2 years ago, but I'm not digging it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash it. Afar, I don't like how it's like not the whole wall low key. So, you know what I mean? And thumbs up for me looking a complete mess, because I look like a hot ass mess. But I need to go get the hammer. But y'all, I'm so excited that I'm doing this, because I could have really waited until next week. But I'm about to have a whole leg tattoo, a new one. That hurts. So, BRB. So good thing we own this house, because some of those nails are still in there. Let me hit a TikTok transition real quick. I've been trying to be more on TikTok. TikTok is ridiculously hard, but I've been doing it. These look so cool, and they look really cool with neon lights on top of it, and I got a custom neon light. But how people normally do it is they'll connect, as you guys can see, you can connect these to other pieces. But what I like to do is just zip tie them, place them on the wall, because once I zip tie them, it kind of makes it look more three-dimensional, even though it's 3D. I like to zip tie them because it's way more easier, and literally putting each one into the thing is a if you guys have already used this before, it's a no-go. And as you guys can see, I got my tattoo re-hit. Maybe you don't see, but I got a re-hit. But yeah, let me just kind of see how many we'll get away with. What, 1, 2, I'll probably eventually do over there. They're 20 by 20, so they're the same way whichever you go. And I literally just zip tie the top to the top, bottom to the bottom. That's it. I do not pin them together. I don't have that time. Because low-key, I've tried to clip them before and put it up and they completely fall down. And that's annoying. And that's it. So I got the first layer down and it's nailed to the wall. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put a few nails, like maybe 2 more at the top so it doesn't fall down when I'm connecting it. Cause now all I'm about to do is zip tie the rest down, not even nail it into the wall, just zip tie it down. So the second half was actually easier to put on cause I just zip tied it. So I'm thinking we're gonna bring it down 1 2 1 2, because that I can't have that looking like that. It looks kind of tacky. But right now I'm just cleaning off the surface in the mirror. A little update, I decided to just do the whole wall but up to that point because it didn't feel complete without it. Like it looked kind of crazy with just the opening. So now we're waiting on our custom neon sign to arrive. It might look extra, but we are extra. Guys, day 2 of our renovation in our beauty room. Still waiting on our custom neon sign, but they sent me a clip of it. Hope you couldn't see my butt in that shot. They sent me a clip, like a picture, and it looks amazing. So it should be coming soon. However, in this corner, I low-key wanna add I wanted a thunderbolt at first. We're not doing that no more. We're gonna do a hanger because this is like my corner of fashion. So I'm gonna do a hanger. What I got were these strips from Amazon, and what they're supposed to be able to do is you're supposed to be able to kind of put them in any shape you want, which is cool. I got pink. They offer different colors, but pink was on sale. It was like $9 so I got 3. I'll link the link in the description if you guys want to check it out. But let's see if we could do a hanger. I'm gonna let y'all see me do the hanger. We're gonna put it up together, and then we're literally just waiting on our shelving to come so I can do the color coordinated shoe display, because this room is about to be a whole vibe, Pinterest style. So let's get right to it. Hey guys, so when you take it out, it comes with, oh, my eyelashes, I'm about to have to rip these bad boys off. It comes with like instructions. Oh gosh, it takes batteries. But it's supposed to be 3 feet long, and it looks like this. We're gonna see how it works. Okay. Ugh. Ugh. So I got a hanger of what I want it to look like. Low key, they said this was like 3 feet. Looks a little smaller. So I have the shape of the hanger. And I'm making a TikTok, y'all. Follow me on TikTok. We're going to just follow. Can y'all see? Okay, you can see now, yeah. All right, so we're going to just follow this in the direction. It's crazy because this is supposed to be like pliable. Is this the wrong way? Oh, it's gotta be this way. I'm tripping. So hanger is going to be this way because you can you can literally see. I'm like, how is this supposed to, for one, how is this supposed to stay? Stay like this. Are you kidding me? I'm thinking this is instruction. This is like fucking a child's doodle. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. All right, y'all, found some batteries. Ooh. Yeah, I like that. Okay. So like, let's go middle of here. Okay, yeah, so we have the right idea. We gonna wrap that wire some up. I feel like this should work fine. I feel like I need to nail it up right there. I love it. Oh, it looks so beautiful. It literally looks like a store. Mind the way I look. Bonnet is on. Well, actually, does my hair look that crazy? It doesn't. And boom, boom. So our floating shelves just got in, and I'm actually really excited about doing this. So what I'm gonna do now is remove. I'm really trying to get my husband to come in here and help me do this. So I gotta clear out this section, kind of take all these ivies off, and then move the shoes just to another section so I can hang up the shelves and then kind of color coordinate them. Not me. All right, let's check out the shelf together. I bought this from Amazon, so if you're interested in the shelf itself, I'll link it in the description, you know, thing for you. A little on the short side. Let's measure this. Okay, y'all, so just made him. He's so mad. All right, let's see if it just goes straight in. I'd say the hard part is finished. Now what we're gonna do is color coordinate shoes, and I'm low-key gonna get another one for the bottom and another one for the top. So guys, we have on a Prada hat because we look a hot mess. I can come on here and show you guys my true form. But today's project, we wasn't gonna do this at all. But last night we had an earthquake. If you live in Los Angeles, California, but if you felt the earthquake, let us know in the comment sections. But we had an earthquake, and after the earthquake, my husband and I heard something, so he picked up our weapon and he was looking around the house, and come to find out, I woke up this morning and this was completely on the ground. But I already knew that this thing was it was on its last leg, because I had so much more clothes than what you see here piled up. So what we're going to be doing, my husband is on his way back from Home Depot. We're going to turn this whole wall into like a clothes bar. You know how like at stores they have like bars that are connected to the walls? That's what we're going to be doing here. I was going to simply buy 2 more freestanding things, but I feel like it's not worth the money, you know, especially because my clothes are really heavy, and my clothes bar in the closet literally just fell down. So I don't know if this was the perfect timing, but what I'm about to do now is I'm just about to clear this section again, because my husband is on his way back and I want him to do it now. Otherwise he'll take his time and do whenever he feels like it. So if I have everything ready, then, you know. And I'm gonna attempt to color coordinate everything again. As you guys can see, I've completely cleared the space, and we're just gonna have the bar going like from here, or low-key maybe here. No, I think we're gonna do this line, and then we're gonna have a shelf coming out so I can like display purses. Take a look. That's how I feel. All right, y'all. So we got shelving. Bars are up. So Home Depot only had one shelf, so I only have one shelf for now. So I'll be able to display some purses there. Now I'm going to just put my clothes back. So I will 100% recommend that if you haven't already transformed your space, transform your space. You're at home. A lot of people have been saying that they've been very depressed, and I think you might be depressed because of your space. Like, your space has a lot to do with you know, like your space has a lot to do with every day, what you see. And I like to just wake up and feel inspired in here. This is the room where I can really get inspired, do fashion, do makeup. And the last thing that I want is to be depressed in a space that's supposed to bring me inspiration, you know? So I feel like if that's happening to you, reorganize your space, make sure everything is, you know, just to your liking, because that's a big deal. All right, y'all, so I hung up the clothes and I changed all the hangers. So changing all the hangers is gonna be crucial because now everything can just really, you know, flow. See everything, same hanger. So I didn't really want to add anything to the bottom, but I kind of need to because I have additional boxes that I have out. When the LED light comes, I'll show y'all. So guys, my neon sign has finally arrived. Let's check.
Can we put on the ring light?
You're ridiculous.
Oh, thanks.
It's here. It looks huge. Okay. Woo! Alright guys, let's see. Let's just plug in. You'd have thought we would have untested the lights first. That's lit! So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like J and Beyonce.